Right now I'm heading to my flight, and we're heading to Baltimore, yes, Maryland, Washington DC, all of that area there, yes. Mayota, wait, let me take Southwest.
Southwest,
yes. Right. So we're heading to the airport. It's now 5:04 in the morning. My flight departs at around 6 something. So I'm gonna check in and ting and ting. Yeah. Yes, yeah. I hear that.
We hope you enjoy our 23 miles of award-winning beaches, parks, or the magical Florida Everglades. There are plenty of restaurants and shops to enjoy.
Heading out of town.
While you're here, why not take in
Baltimore.
One of our cultural
Here I come. Big show, big weekend. Yardie belly. Me have to do. You see? I need some coffee now before my going on my waiting now. Watch them over there sleep. Yeah, watch them. Sleep and bite them. Yeah, wake up from early and sleep and kill them. Where you saw? My crew now sleep. Yeah. See the one Debbie I put on makeup. And Papa's on freshening up. Oh, yeah, fresh up. Yes, yes. We are heading into Washington DC now. And the plane full of people. All of them are going the same place where we're going. Yes, we're all going the same place. They come into the concert too. The whole plane of people come into the concert. We're famous. We're in charge. No more Jamaican food. When we go to foreign pan shows, we don't want to eat Jamaican food. We want to eat foreign food. I need to eat Baltimore food, not Jamaican food. I need to eat White House food. Tell him to drive past the White House. We need White House food, not Jamaican food. Papa son, we're only eating Donald Trump food. We're not eating no Jamaican food. We are sick and tired of being sick and tired.
Thank you.
See, we're going to the Rusty Snapper. Look, we're going to the Rusty Snapper. See it right there? The Rusty Snapper. We don't want no Jamaican food.
It's a scooper.
Oh, through my glasses.
Oh yeah, I love you, darling, and that's no lie. Oh, stick by me, I'll stick by you. When you cry.
We're in at the pit.
Not the bottomless one though.
In the one that is full of jerk. Yes, we're in the jerk pit, which is restaurant in Baltimore. Yeah, let me show you on the outside there, sir. Show on the outside there, sir. Yeah, we just stopped for lunch. And place smell nice. It's a Jamaican restaurant. Smell good. You know, order some food and thing. But it's one of those places where you have to get used to it, you know. Because we come there Florida, so everything different, you know. They have a nice outside patio. It's actually a house that them convert. See there? See there? It's a house that them convert, you know. And things just different. Up other side, things are, it's very different, you know. See the veranda out there, so yeah, and them have out in the yard, the garden outside there, so well, the lawn, them put up benches and stuff. Them have the jerk table them out there, so, and the artists, them, the singers, them, everybody inside there, so order them food and thing. So I order some food still. So I go eat. I'm hungry. Hey, let me tell you something. The drive coming over here was different, to say the least. It was very different. I promise you. Yeah? So, one more stop. Hey, we're gone again. Guys, I'm just in my room. Yeah? and just give you a run. You know, very quaint at the Sheridan in College Park. This is the bathroom, and this time I'm with a group, so all the you know, extra perks I'm gonna really get, like the last time when I was here by myself. And this is the room, double bed and everything. Yeah, and I mean, it's just one night. This is just to come in and rest. You know, this is the view outside. Yeah, parking lot, rooftop on the highway. Yeah, right now I'm really tired. Been traveling since 5:30 this morning, and it is now 1:10. So I got crash and prepare up for later. So my team, yeah. So, alright, later. So here's my breakfast, guys. A.k.a. saltfish and dumpling and yam. I never want a banana. So finally get to eat my breakfast at 1 o'clock. And yeah, just a show now. Breakfast, next sound check, and then event later on. We're here in College Park at the High Point High School, and we're about to get this show on the road. I'm gonna be the designated MC for the night, comedian, everything, you know. People are coming in nicely, and anticipating a good show, I promise you. Yeah, Nigel, Lewis and Papa San gonna be the headliners. And in Beltsville, it's a nice community, as I came here before several occasions to do different programs, and always enjoyed. So hopefully we can get some highlights from what happened tonight, you know. I take a walk inside of this building here behind me. You see the building there. Take a walk in this building here and see if we can start a show. You see me? Remember me tell you? Yes, sir. God is good. Make sure you hold around while they shout up this case, man. Yes. Yes. Yes, man. Good boy now, good boy. You're supposed to sing that song every day. Lord, myself, teach me to take one day at a time. Hallelujah. Glory to God. Why, I'm sorry that my wife not there. There's certain people who couldn't show up. I'm not singing and looking at my wife's face. Little more thinking about the apostle and say, put on your red dress. Let me see the hands of all the husbands in the house. All the husbands, put up one hand. Oh, Jesus, somebody just jump to one man and say, put up your hand. All the happily married husbands, see them now? Somebody hand them a man up.
Me love my wife. Yes. Sorry, she's not there. I love my wife so much that if she ever decide to leave me, I go down. Stay there. Today, India, me I go down. Oh, God is good. For the African men in the house, I'm going home, going down, stay there. Yes. Let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. When I came this time from Miami, I decided that I'm not coming empty-handed. I decided that I'm going to walk with a couple of bridges of mine. Do you understand? I'm going to make them get up and worship God in what we call extreme praise. You know, sometimes we get into the kingdom of God and we're so lethargic. You know, we're just so tired, you know, we now move up ourselves, and there is a law of physics that says a body in motion stays in motion. And if you want to exercise the spiritual motion, you have to go what is called extreme praise. I have a brother coming up, knowing this man over 10 years. From illegal milling. Someone was one that couldn't know someone who can't go to Pennsylvania Avenue. I was afraid of FBI. Someone now find the highway or that family. No one brought them on there. And they might ask the papers. That is good. But God has led this young man through storms and through different parts in life, and he has come from being one of the leading Calypsonians in Trinidad to being a man of God's own heart. He sings a song that says, He lives. He sings a song that says, My God is a good God. He has a song that says, Follow the leader, follow the leader. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to put your hands together and welcome on stage the awesome, extreme praise ministry of Nigel Lewis. Come on, put your hands together as he comes, ladies and gentlemen.
To go to practice. I was going to rehearsals with the band. At that time I was doing Roy Cape All Stars. Who know Roy Cape and the All Stars from Trinidad? Oh, there's Joe Trinidad. Yes. Long song like on the illegal too. So I decided that day that I was going to make an appeal with the Father in heaven. Now I wasn't in church, but I said, listen, this is how they talk about. Jesus, listen up. If you give me 3 years in the secular world, and I make a name for myself, I will come and serve you in the kingdom. That's all I said. That was it. By January 1st, now this happened in August of 1995. By January 1st of 1996, hear what I say, January 1st, I had the biggest song on the radio in Trinidad. You know what that song was? There you go. Anybody know that song? Moving to the left, hey! Right. That was my first hit song. So I said, alright, good. I followed it up the next year with another song called Awaken. Say it, man. Follow the leader, that's right. And then I drop a song with my brother called I Get the Urge. You know that song? And then I followed it up with the last song I followed it up with 3 years was a song called Take That and Google It. Right. And then the Lord reminded me. You don't forget me, not you. So sitting down there, I like myself too bad as a household name and I'm looking like everything going smooth, and the Lord said, remember that thing?
have to put out a disclaimer. I have to put out a disclaimer. Ladies, when you are dancing and praising the Lord, you don't have to go side to side. You don't can't go all the way around. If you don't go all the way around, you don't backslide. One more, ladies and gentlemen.
Really?
Yes, Galam. Galam, one more.
You're tired?
I'm tired too. Galam.
Ain't you tired? Okay, if you're tired, I want to see everybody stand up and come to the front line. See? Then I can say you run you good. Run it. This game I'm praising overflow. Just watch me praise it. Just watch me praise it. And then take your hand and go. Watch me praise it. Just watch me praise it. He's here with me, you will never believe. Look right there, look at the one.
worshiping at the Metropolitan Church of God. Yes, I'm worshiping at the Metropolitan Church of God. And it's a very, very nice place. I've been here before. You know, church is going on the inside. And this is the pastor and his first lady. And it's really a good opportunity to just come on out and worship in another environment this morning. Yeah.
Lord, as he passes by, you will find these are too busy to hear your heart's cry. He's passing by this moment, your needs to supply. Reach out and touch the Lord as he passes by. Where would I be?
My God.
This song, my God, this song ministers to my soul, because I know that the enemy tries several times to take me out. And I'm not talking about just saying it. I'm talking about doing it. He tried several times to take me out. I testified 2 weeks ago in Florida. He tried to take me out. I've never passed out in my life. I was supposed to preach the Sunday morning, but Saturday morning, I passed out in the hotel room. Didn't know where I was. My daughter's trying to wake me up. Mommy, wake up, wake up, wake up. And mommy don't know nothing. All because God gave me a word for his people. I spent one whole day and night in the hospital room because the enemy tried to take me out. But God. Sunday morning came. Sunday morning came. And God discharged me right on time. Service was 10. And they discharged me at 10. Hallelujah. And the hospital was 10 minutes away. And I was able to rush there and deliver the word to God's people. Amen. So this morning means everything to me. Hallelujah. If it had not been the Lord on my side, tell me, where would I be? How many of you can say that this morning?
Totally enjoy the service. And next thing, I'm going to head to the airport and head home to my family. That is good. I got me Yardie now with the brother here.
Yeah, man.
He now come here, he might go on the same plane. Just making it was a good trip.
It was alright still.
He mash up the place. Mash down the whole place.
It was a nice trip, see.
I swear Baltimore not the same again.
Yeah.
But now I want to go home because I need my whole lot of food and
You need for sleep, right?
yeah, and do it. So,
He said that, I didn't say it.
South Florida,
Peace out, Florida. See you soon.
Nigel Lewis.
Reverend St. Hope.
Remember me tell you.